News that's coming in right now in a major observation by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has criticized the freebie culture. Justice Gavai has asked, are we not creating a class of parasites? And he says because of freebies, when elections are declared, people are not willing to work. Even as the freebie debate rages on, the Supreme Court now going ahead and making this comment, giving its thought on the entire debate of freebies. Joining us right now, Ananya Bhatnagar. Ananya, a significant observation by the Supreme Court, even as we have seen states after states, in a way, landing in a financial crisis because of the freebies announced.
Well, definitely, the Supreme Court was dealing with the petition with regards to the shelters. And today, a strong observation came in from Justice Gavai, where he went on to say that, are we not creating a class of parasites by, offering such kind of freebies? He says, because of freebies, when elections are declared, people are not willing to work. They are getting free ration without doing any work. And hence, just as I said, would it not be better to, actually include them into the mainstream society so that they can contribute to the nation as well? Prashant Bhushan is the petitioner in this particular matter. He said that, the minimum needs to be provided. However, the AG said that this can't be dealt with in a linear fashion and has now asked the Attorney General of India as to whether and how, such elevation of people can happen. And, as far as urban poverty is concerned and, the elevation programs are concerned, the Attorney General would then be, coming up with, in fact, proper instruction as to what are the schemes there and how would, poverty elevation, at least in the urban areas, would actually happen.
Ananya, we've seen a lot of debate in the recent past asking who will end this particular tradition that we've seen in the recent years, this practice we've seen in the recent years. Political parties obviously can't do it because of what is at stake, but many were looking at Supreme Court. How would you read this observation? Because many want this culture to be stopped because it's having a serious impact on the fiscal situation of many states, and this is a significant observation by the court, especially for the ones who are hoping that the judiciary will step in.
Well, definitely, people is already dealing with a particular matter, a particular petition as far as Freebies is concerned. This was a different matter. But these, observations that come in from the mouth of Justice Gavai are something that, goes on to reflect as to how these freebies are creating, in fact, a parasite culture in the society. And that needs to be stopped, when the main matter with regards to freebies would be discussed in the Supreme Court. This might resonate to the bench as well as to how, actually turning people into parasites and they're not willing to work because of these welfare schemes that are being drafted with them.